Hello students, this is lesson 3 of chapter 2, and in this lesson we will learn the conversion of binary numbers into decimal numbers. So you must know that binary number system is a positional value system. Positional value system, like decimal number system. Decimal number system was a positional value system. Binary number system is also a positional value system. Why? Because the place value of every bit means every digit. In binary number system we uh, generally call a digit as a bit. Okay, so in binary number system, every bit, the place value of every bit depends on its position and is expressed as a power of 2. In decimal number, the place value of every digit was expressed as a power of 10 because the base is 10 in case of decimal number system, and in case of binary number system the place value of every bit is expressed as a power of 2 because the base of binary number system is 2. Okay, so here let's take an example. 10010 base 2 equals to how much in decimal? So at first you need to write every bit of binary number system starting from right hand side to left hand side. Okay, so I'm writing the digits or bits of binary number. So first 0, then 1, then 0, then 0, and then 1. Now we have to write the weight of every position, weight of the position of every bit starting from right hand side. I'm telling again, we have to write the weight of positions of every bit starting from right hand side. So as you know, in case of binary number system, every bit, the place value of every bit is expressed as a power of 2. So what is the least power of 2 will be 2 to the power 0, because 2 to the power 0 means 1 unit. This one will be 2 to the power 1, this one 2 to the power 2, this one 2 to the power 3, and this one is 2 to the power 4. Is that clear? So these are the values are called weight. So weight of every position. So now we need to find out the place value of every bit. Now how to find it out? It is very easy. We have to multiply the corresponding weight. We have to multiply the bit. We have to multiply a particular bit with its corresponding weight to get the place value. Because you know place value means face value means the bit itself, face value into weight. So for this bit, what will be the place value? Face value is 1 into the weight is 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4. For this one, 0 into the weight, 2 to the power 3. For this one, 0 into the weight, that is 2 square. For this one, 1 into the weight, that is 2 to the power 1. Next this one, 0 into 2 to the power 0. So as you can see, this digit is the most significant bit as it carries the highest weight. As you can see, 2 to the power 4 is the highest weight, and this bit is the least significant bit or LSB as it carries the least weight, isn't it? So now the place value of every bit is calculated. Now we need to add this place value to get the equivalent decimal number. So we will add. This is plus, 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 plus. So 1 into 2 to the power 4 means 16. plus 0 into 2 to the power 3 means 0, 0 into 2 square means 0, 1 into 2 to the power 1 means 1 into 2, and 0 into 2 to the power 0 means 0. So 16 plus 2 means 18. So we will write, so 10010 base 2 equals to 18 base 10. So 10010 is equivalent to a binary number equivalent to the decimal number 18. Let's take another example. 1111 base 2 equals to how much in decimal? So again, write this digit starting from right hand side to left hand side. So 1 1 1 1. Now place the weight of every position of this bit. So this one is 2 to the power 0, as it is the least significant bit. This is 2 to the power 1, this is 2 to the power 2, and this is 2 to the power 3. Okay. And now multiply the place value of every bit. So place value of this one is face value into the weight, that is 2 to the power 3 plus this one. Place value of this digit, this bit, 1 into the weight, that is 2 square. These are the weights, weight of the position. Then this one, 1 into how much? 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. Okay. So here 1 into 2 to the power 3 means 1 into 8. 1 into this one will be 1 into 4. This one 1 into 2, and this one 1 into 1, because 2 to the power 0 means unit 1. So 1 into 8 means 9. Sorry, 1 into 8 means 8. 1 into 4 means 4. 1 into 2 means 2, and 1 into 1 means 1. So what is the result? 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 15. So we will write 1111 base 2 equals to 15 in decimal. Okay.